Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Popup on Klaviyo. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type klaviyo.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into this page. And as you can see from that page, you can actually click at login if you have an account. Once you click here, as you can see, this will take you to the login page. So all you need to do, just go and enter your email, password, check if this I'm not a robot, then log in into your account. Of course, you can even log in with the SSO. If you don't have a Klaviyo account, you can click at let's get started so you can actually create your account. Just fill all the information needed here to create your account. And of course, click at Get Started to create your account. Once you're logged in or you created your account, you'll find yourself on this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on Klaviyo website. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, you would like to set up the pop-up, and of course pop-up in the Klaviyo dashboard. So you can simply click at sign up forms here on this left panel. And once you're here, as you can see, you'll find this option. You'll find here a lot of templates, as you can see. Not all of them are pop-ups, but as you can see, some of them are pop-up. This is pop-up, this is pop-up, this is pop-up, this is full page. So we're gonna just look for the pop-up that we would like to create. Let's say, as an example, this is gonna be the pop-up that I want here. So simply, I'll have to give it a name. Let's say, as an example, it's gonna be test. The email subscriber list, and of course, you can choose whatever email subscribers you want. For me, let's say, as an example, the SMS subscribers. And here, simply click at create form. And that will take you into that page. Here, of course, you'll have to edit whatever you want with your pop-out. For me, I'm not going to edit anything. For you, of course, you can just go and edit whatever you want with your pop-outs. Then simply once you finish, click as publish. And of course, you can just skip and publish if you want, or before you can collect the SMS consents or consents, confirm you're sending information. If you do not collect SMS consents, you will not be able to send marketing text messages. So for me, I'm just going to skip and publish, and I'm going to be good to go. So this will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.